Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. As always, the links to this are in the YouTube description box below if you're interested in putting that application in. We will not waste any time. The Church World Services, they are a nonprofit organization. They work to eradicate hunger and poverty and to promote peace and justice around the world. They are hiring a data entry assistant. Now, this is remote within the United States only, and they are paying anywhere from $21.36 an hour all the way up to $28.90 an hour. Of course, pay you are offered is always dependent on location and experience, but the lowest that they will give you is $21.36 an hour. So this is a well-paying data entry job, but they are looking for someone to essentially organize and upload resources to shared drives for access by national casework team. You'll initiate new case creation in their database, making sure that the data is accurate and timely list of all the client data. You'll also pull supporting documents for government databases and upload them into the Church World Services database. You'll organize and track new referrals in the email inbox and prioritize any time-sensitive cases for entry into the database. You'll communicate with provider sites, including caseworkers and case processing assistants, about the status of the data entry for new referrals. You'll upload any final reports to the database, and you'll assist with required donor reports as well. Now, they are looking for someone who does have an associate's degree. However, it looks like it can be in any field. They do want somebody who can type at least 45 words per minute with a 95% accuracy rate, and someone who has 2 to 3 years of equivalent experience running reports, doing data entry, or some kind of office or clerical work. If you are bilingual in Spanish, that is preferred but is not required. They do need somebody who can work Microsoft Office, including Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, someone who has experience working with large quantities of data, someone who has a great data management skills, great organizational skills, and great analytical skills. Now, they also do provide a benefit package, including a retirement plan, medical, dental, vision, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always keeping my eye out when I am searching for things to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.